Alright guys, today I'll be making one healthy yet tasty chicken dish which takes about 20 minutes to prepare. It is a Thai chicken stir fry. Let's start with the fresh ingredient. Half a cup of fresh basil, 1 chopped big onion, half a cup of fresh coriander leaf, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato cut into cubes, some bell peppers, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 500 grams of chicken breast. The first thing that we need to do is to create the smooth paste for the stir fry. I will grind using the pestle and mortar. Add in garlic, half of the onion, chili flakes, coriander, salt and also 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. You can also use the food processor to combine everything together. Make it as smooth as possible. Next is to prepare the chicken. Use boneless and skinless chicken breast. Slice it thinly so that it will cook nicely and tender. Now put in some vegetable oil into the wok and heat it to medium to high temperature. Add in the paste and cook it for about a minute before adding in the chicken slice. Add in some water to the wok to steam up the chicken to cook. Next is to add in about a tablespoon of fish sauce followed by a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Add in the remaining ingredient to the wok and stir it constantly for about 2 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. And there you have it, your Thai chicken stir fry.